guys, it's Bethany. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I thought I would jump on here really quick and show you what I downloaded. These are Printables planner stickers from Etsy, and everything that I'm going to show you here cost me under $20. This is why Printables are really a way to go. If you can do it, it's really great. It's great value. So I got a bunch of Hobonichi kits from my Hobonichi cousin, and some of these little, I don't know, I guess they're little icons and weather stickers from PLANNERPIXIECO. Some of these shops also sell physical stickers, so if you're not able to do printables, I believe you can still get some of this stuff from their shop, and they can make it and deliver it for you. So these are from Goins Crafting. They're little icons. I think this one's called Pet Care. They're all little pet things, and I foiled it in silver for now. That one fell out. That's my fault because I cut it too deep. And here it is in black. And then I got this one, which is Cat Care, because we have this feral cat outside, and I don't have any cat stickers. I wanted to mark when we feed him, when he goes in his house, what the weather's like, you know, stuff like that. And then here they are in black, not foiled. I got some weather stickers from PLANNERPIXIECO. I foiled these in silver. I'm always looking for little weather stickers, and I like that they're mini, but they're cut in squares, so you can use them on a little thing. Very cute. Here it is in black. And then it comes like, by the way, this is when you print it, you're going to get 4 into one page. And I think this was, I don't know, $2 for all of that. No, it was $2 or $1.50, something like that. And then I got these icons also for little things. Look how cute. These are also from PLANNERPIXIECO. Those are in silver. And then here they are in black. This is quite the array of little icons. Yeah, I don't think you would really need any more than that, especially whatever comes in the kit and those. Okay, so let's get into the fun stuff. I want to see this one. This is from the Tipsy Narwhal, something like that. The Tipsy Narwhal. I got these. I thought this was cute. They're like from 90s songs, and she had them from different, like 2000, 90s, 80s. I thought this was cute, so I got that one. Already put that one in my planner. These come 2 to a sheet. And then I got this little, what is this? I guess this is like, what's it called? Oh my gosh. I forgot what this is called. If you know what this is called, this Tetris. That's what it's called, Tetris. Look how cute. I love these like colors. I have another kit that I used. Let's see, in my Hobonichi cousin that I did a weekly spread with. And it also had these bright colors. Let me see if I can find it real quick. This one. So it's these super bright colors, and I don't know, just sometimes it's fun, and I feel like doing bright colors instead of muted or pastels. So this is Tetris. That's the first page. This is the second page. It's a perfect size kit for the Hobonichi cousin. This is the decor sheet. Oh, here's page 3. It only comes with 2 boxes. And so I got the decor kit basically for this one because I love me some Pac-Man. I think that whole kit was half off, so a couple dollars. Super cute. And then I got this one from Plan Ahead Printables. I couldn't resist. This is so cute. I think this was like $1.50. Isn't that cute? Look at this bottom washi. Oh, it's so really, really cute. Oh wait, no, that's the bottom washi and the date covers. And then I got some kits from the Planner Shack. This one I think I'm going to lay down in my Hobonichi cousin tonight. I may film it. We'll see. But this one is my favorite one I picked up. This is so cute. I love the black and the orange. It's not Halloween-y, but it's just very chic looking. These are your date covers, your full boxes, your headers, bottom washi, you know, your boxes, to-do, checklists, some icons, Monday through Sunday, other little appointment stickers, some more checklists. And here are some more washi, more icons, and some little deco. Cute. That one was called Autumn Comforts. Then I got this one from the Planner Shack, which is called Snug Life. This is the 2 full boxes and a tall box. It's your full boxes, same exact kit format, your headers, your days of the week, your boxes, your bottom washi, more bottom washi. Oh, it's different. Cute. Your icons and some deco and more icons and your Monday through Sunday. I got this one, which is called Rain on My Window, because it's been really cold here, and I mean really cold. It's like 60 degrees in Vegas, but it's cold for me. Same format, your tall box, more full boxes, headers, days of the week, bottom washi, icons, and deco. Monday through Sunday, your icons and some checklists, and more bottom washi. Now, is this bottom washi the same? Yeah, see, in this kit, they're the same. But okay, I can always use them on my dailies. And this is the final kit I got, also from the Planner Shack. I think these were like $1.50. This is called Autumn Walk. I love these colors, really pretty. Same exact format. Is this washi the same? Let's see. Now this one is different. That's your bottom washi. Your Monday through Sunday, some headers, and that's super cute. So that's it. I thought I would just show you in case, I believe most of these Etsy sales are going on through, and they may end up today. Today is Sunday, so they may end by Cyber Monday. So if you get a chance, go ahead and try to pick them up because they are very cute. I think tomorrow is the 27th is when they end. Some of them may go through the 29th. Check it out on Etsy. And that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday. It has been cold, but probably not as cold over where you are. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.